Clay pot chicken rice can be cooked without a clay pot. Today, I'm sharing a method of making this dish with a rice cooker. This recipe is for 4 to 5 servings. The ingredients needed are 500 grams of whole chicken leg cut into bite size. Any part of the chicken can be used as well. 1 piece of lapchong or Chinese sausage. 2 cups of Thai fragrant rice or jasmine rice. 600 ml of water. 5 pieces of shiitake mushroom, soaked until soft and cut into half. 1 stalk of spring onions, 2.5 tablespoons of ginger scallion sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of thick soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce, half teaspoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of onion oil, 1.5 tablespoons of sauerkraut, and half teaspoon of sesame oil. The full list of the ingredients and the measurements are in the show more link. Soak the lapchong for about 5 minutes. Ensure that they are fully immersed in the water. This is to easily remove the lapchong skin. Next, mix the sauce. In a large bowl, add in 1 tablespoon of onion oil, half of the sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of thick soy sauce, 3/4 tablespoon of sauerkraut, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Stir with a whisk until well combined. Leave it aside. Next, marinate the chicken. Add in the balance of the onion oil, sesame oil, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, thick soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of ginger scallion sauce. Rub until the chicken and marinade are well incorporated. And leave it aside. Next, lightly rinse the rice with water. And drain it. Do this twice. Then transfer the washed rice into the rice cooker. Evenly spread the rice so that the rice is level. Add in 600 ml of water. Usually I will measure the water with my hand. The water should be about 1.5 inch above the rice. Alright, let's cook the rice. Cover the rice pot by tilting the cover a little to allow the steam to escape. For the new model of the rice cooker, this part can be skipped. Press the button and allow it to cook. While waiting, prepare the lapchong. After soaking about 5 minutes, the lapchong skin has expanded and is easy to remove. Give it a wash. Pat dry with the kitchen towel. Slice them into a thin slanting shape. Put them in a bowl. Switch on the heat. Drizzle a little oil in the pan. Put in the lapchong and fry it until they are cooked. This will take around 2 minutes. Remove them from the pan and leave it aside. In the same pan, add in all marinated chicken and the shiitake mushroom. Give it a stir. We want to pre-cook the chicken and shiitake mushroom to make sure that they are well cooked and tender before mixing with the rice. Cover the pan and simmer for 10 minutes. Come back and stir in between to prevent burning at the bottom of the pan. Alright, while waiting for the chicken, the rice cooker setting has changed to keep warm. At this stage, the rice is cooked. Cover the rice pot completely to prevent the rice from drying up. After 10 minutes, the chicken is cooked. Switch off the heat. Remove mushroom and the chicken pieces from the pan and set it aside. In the rice pot, spread the balance of ginger scallion sauce, add in the chicken, shiitake mushroom, and the fried lapchong. Pour the sauce mixture slowly over the chicken so that the sauce will seep down into the rice. Sprinkle a handful of cut spring onions. Cover the rice pot completely and allow it to set for a minimum of 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the chicken rice should be ready. Switch off the rice cooker. It can be served in the rice pot or transferred to a serving plate. Stir and mix until the rice is well coated with the soy sauce mixture. Alright, this should be okay. Sprinkle the cut spring onions and serve with bird-eye chili, chopped garlic, light soy sauce, and ginger scallion sauce. Let's eat! Very tasty and flavorful. The rice is very fragrant and the chicken is tasty. It is very simple to cook and can be enjoyed with the whole family. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!